at my most reddish outfit I've ever worn. So the sun's going down now and I'm trying to chase the sunset. I'm chasing the sunset. I'm going to try and find a good place to watch the sun go down. Ooh. Oh. Every time there's a pheasant hiding somewhere and it just jumps out like that. Oh, makes me jump. Some sort of cabbages there. I'm not entirely sure what kind. Maybe someone can tell me in the comments. I didn't quite see it, but look at that. Just nature and the sunset. Oh. Mother Earth. Beautiful. God is good. Just got to find a good spot to see that sun. I'm going to lose it otherwise. Don't want to lose it. Look how red I am. My red trousers. Got an odd outfit today. Oh well, get over it. Oh, there's a couple of cows in there. Just there. Hello. You know there's a river here. Be careful. Oh, it's quite a nice little spot actually. Quite peaceful. You can hear those fake gun sounds scare off the birds. I think they're fake sounds anyway. Wow, look at those birds. Hope you can see them as I can. Wow. Wow, look at them all. Right. Well, I can see the sun here, of course. Ooh. There's birds flying everywhere. Look at them all. There it is, just poking through there. Those birds. Just poking through. Got to find it. Come on. It's poking through the trees. Oh. Here's a bit muddy. Oh. Oh, maybe. Oh, here's a nice spot. Look at that. There it is up there. God, still bright. Still burning my eyes looking at it too much. Beautiful, beautiful. Maybe that tree I climb? I don't know. There's a rope swing over there. Maybe if I climb one of these. Oh, look at that. Don't know if I'm loud in here. Oh well. I'm not doing anything wrong. Looking at the sunset. Maybe I won't climb a tree. Maybe I'll just sit here and watch it go down. See a church in the distance as well. It's the next town that way. Wow. Wonderful. I think I found the perfect spot. We're now looking around. I think there's some buildings over there I could have perhaps climbed, but I couldn't quite see them. That's the thing with the sun's in your eyes, and you look elsewhere, you can't really see anything else. It's a bit blinded. So it's nice. You've got the sun going down there. You've got the moon just come up there. It's not quite a full moon. It's nearly a full moon. Got this pink sky just there as well. A bit pink at the bottom there, and you have the moon just there. Oh. Unfortunately, when I'm talking a vlog, it does make the birds jump and they start flapping away. Then it makes me jump and it upsets the balance of peace and serenity, but oh well. Well, that's that. Sun's gone. Got the moon up there. Got the rest of the bright sky just over there. Nice little combination. My favourite part of the day is this dusk. It's the sun's just gone down, or not quite gone down yet. It's like a nice hour and a half maybe of just bliss. Pink sky just over there. Colours. It's got pink over there, you got blue up there, you got more pink there, and it's darker blue up there. Shade of pink there. Again, you got some pink going all around there, a bit of orange, blue, the moon, the trees. Oh. Everything's just so blissful. Oh, wow. I'm really just taking my time walking home. I'm barely walking that fast. I'm just like, yep. Mwah. Wherever we are, on some earth, spinning ball, flat earth, whatever, I really don't care that much, to be honest, what truly this is, but it's just wonderful. The colours, it's just the colour everywhere.